In this demonstration, I'll explain to you how you can invoke import-export wizard from SQL Server Management Studio itself. So I'm going to export the same department's tables data to an Excel file this time. For this, you can right-click on your database inside your SQL Server Management Studio, click on Tasks, and then click on Export. In fact, we go back to the same wizard what we have seen in the previous lecture. So I click on Next, and I can choose my source as my SQL Server, and I leave my server name as my local system, and we use Windows authentication to get connected to SQL Server, and we're going to use the same database, AdventureWorks 2014. Click on Next, and destination this time will go for Excel, and I would like to keep this file in my outputs folder, something like say departments.xls or xlsx, that's up to you. Click on Open, and the Excel version you can choose different versions of your choice, and we also ensure the first row has got column names in our output file. Say Next, and would you like to copy an entire data of your specific table, or would you like to write a SQL query by yourself? That's up to you. Say Next, and this time I'm interested in exporting the data of my departments table. Again, you can see the preview, or also you can click on Edit Mappings, and then you can exclude certain columns of your choice. Finally, click on Next, and so this is what is going to happen, or what the data is going to be in our Excel file, which includes these 4 columns. Say Next again. Would you like to run the package immediately and save the package? Yes, I would like to save this onto my file system. Currently, I'm not going for any package protection level, so we'll talk about that bit later. Say Next again. And where would you like to save this package? I would like to save this package into my H drive's outputs folder as export to Excel, in fact. Again, the file extension is DDSX. Say Save. So that's going to be the name of my SSIS package. You can also provide some meaningful description. Click on Next and click on Finish. So this is how we now have seen how we can export data from SQL Server to an Excel file. Simply click on Close and go back to the Outputs folder, and now you can see in the departments.xls file we should be able to see those 16 records, in fact. So this is how, in this demonstration, I've shown you how we can export data from SQL Server to an Excel file with the help of the import-export wizard, which we were able to invoke it from the SQL Server Management Studio itself.